Hi guys, welcome to Divine Dine. Today I'm gonna show you a very easy recipe. Generally pizza crust is made by flour, but today I'm gonna show you how to make pizza with a bread. So let's begin. Take a bread piece, add some pizza pasta sauce, and add some tomato sauce. Now add some sliced capsicum. Add sliced tomato. Add some onion rings. Now add a pinch of chili flakes. And a pinch of black pepper powder. Now add some cheese. Now add some butter to the pan. And put the pizza. Cover the pan for 5 minutes and let it cook in low flame. Otherwise, it might get burned. Now serve it on a plate. And our delicious cheesy bread pizza is ready. It's a very easy recipe. Try it out and enjoy with your family and friends. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.